Hello everybody, Stuart from Content Villain here, just back with another video on the layout updates that we're doing. You'll notice here that we have gone full for the dark mode now, and what we are doing is we are changing a bunch of stuff with the app. This will make it run faster, it will make it run more efficiently, and it'll be a better experience for all of you. So one of the things that is obviously new here is this icon here. You click this, it's going to give you your last 10 inputs. We can provide more than 10, but I think 10 is a good number, so this is what we're going to do. And you can enter these, and whatever one you enter, it's going to update the input, and we're going to have this on every single input, so it's very easy for you to do this. And what happens is when you do that, you hit the button to do the generation. This should now be faster than it ever was before as well. The input gets saved and it gets put to the top. So whatever you use is going to be put at the top of the list. If you put something new in here, it's also going to get saved. So that's very cool. You'll see here that we have the outputs that appear like this. We've styled the boxes to make them look a lot better than they did before. And we have this arrow icon instead of what we had before with the long list of the different buttons. You click this and we have the different stuff. So you can send it to a webhook like before, go to focus mode, save content, translate the output, or copy to clipboard. We've got rid of more outputs from this list, but we will be adding a keyboard shortcut, which will just be Control and Space if you want to re-roll the outputs. Every single one of these outputs is saved to in a history now. So we're going to have a history page with every single output that you can do what you want with. If you want to save specifically, then you can do that also. And if you want to edit, of course, you can do that as well. Another thing that we've done is we've made the copy a lot clearer. You copy, you're going to get a notification saying that the copy is done. So that's very cool, very good. We're experimenting with providing more than 4 outputs for some specific models, so that's going to be super fun as well. And what we're going to do as well with the long form is we're going to have on the focus mode on the side here, you're going to be able to go through all of your saved and history of outputs, and you'll be able to insert them directly into a long form document. So that's going to be super fun as well. So we are slowly rolling this out on all pages now. A bit ambitious over the weekend, but now we have everything completely nailed. It's just about copying the template and putting it on every single page. This makes things more efficient, makes things faster, and it means that we can scale more. So hopefully we'll get this out very soon. It's just a case of us implementing this now. Now we've got the template done, we've got the workflow done, we have a SOP for it. So it's just a case of rolling it out on every single page. Hopefully have that done today. That is the plan. We'll start pushing this live, and yeah, it's a new content villain. I think it's looking great. I think these inputs are very nice to have now, and the fact that you can just change like this is super powerful. Stops you having to type each time, and you can really speed up your workflows, and that's what we're all about. So if you haven't tried out Content Villain, try it out today. ContentVillain.com. Sign up for a free trial for any of our plans. And if you want to use this layout, it's coming very soon. Hopefully by the time you're on, it'll be live. Thank you.